Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Ukoma Kitchen TV. So on today's video we are going to be making yam and goat meat pepper soup. This soup is going to be very delicious and it's going to be very fast and straight to the point. So let's go to the introduction of the ingredients. So here we have fresh pepper, onions, crayfish, seasoning, my goat meat, salt, garlic and ginger, pepper soup spices, scent leaf, and here is my yam. You can start by cutting and peeling off your yam, then cut it to your desired size and then wash it and set it aside. You can choose to allow the yam to be inside water or you can remove it from the water. The choice is all yours, but make sure the yam is very clean. Then put your goat meat on a clean pot and then add your onions, stock cube, salt, water, pepper. Then put it on fire. While it's steaming, you can now chop in your garlic and ginger and allow it to steam together till the goat meat is almost getting ready, before you can now add in your yam and continue the cooking. Once all the whole yam is added together, you can now stir it and then add some water to cover up the yam. You can now spice up the water with seasoning cube, salt, pepper soup spice, then stir all together and allow it to get well cooked. While it's still cooking on fire, you can now slice your scent leaf and set it aside. Once your yam is about to get done, you can now add in your crayfish and stir it, then allow it to cook for some minutes before adding your scent leaf, and then you can now pull it down to be served. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you like it and you put it into practice. See you next week on our next video. Bye bye.